Think macarons are just for dessert? Think again. This saffron macaron is savory, unlike nothing you tasted before, with a sous vide, egg yolk, and salmon caviar. It's a bite of pure elegance. Now the saffron macaron first. Macaron into sous vide egg yolk. Green peas. And then finish with salmon caviar. So now we explain the plate. We have the saffron meringue dust, and then we have the saffron meringue, sous vide egg yolk, and then salmon caviar and green peas. Now it's your turn to bring this savory sensation to the life. What is your favorite savory twist on a classic dish? Share your picture with Culinary Museum. I'd love to see your creation.